Filipina, marunong siya mag-Tagalog. Say hi! What's your name? She can speak Tagalog. Her mom is from the Philippines. Yan, bukas na siya. Kakain namin ng konti.
Tagal pa.
Dami naghihintay. Sobrang daming pila doon pa sa kabila. Yan guys, dumadami na yung tao. Yan, marami na nang naghihintay. Yan guys, papasok na kami. Nakapili na kami ng aking friendship. Yan, yan. Na aking kami.
Ay, hindi pala pwede.
Kakausapin ko eh.
Ako, dyan na lang ako.
Lilibre po ako nito ngayon, ng friend ko.
Kasi nungalingan yan, ha? Kasi nungalingan po yan. No, number 3.
3.
Yeah.
3.
Yes, number 3. Okay. Number 3. Can you snap shot?
Oh, sorry, number 2.
Sorry about that.
Sorry.
This is 2.
2 and 3.
I know. It's too small to see. It shows 1.
Shows 1.
Yes. Okay. We have 90 minutes for buffet. We have food wastage policy, so please be careful of food wastage. It's $48.90.
What is number 1? Ano yun?
I don't know. For number 3.
Number 3, why not?
You are 10?
Yes.
Okay, table for 7.
No.
No.
For 2.
2 only.
It's a 2 adults and 5 kids. It's 2 adults and 5 kids.
No, just 2 only.
Okay.
Just 2 adults.
Only 2
I think because there's no option.
Sorry, just correct.
Only 2 for 2.
Yeah.
Okay, you have 90 minutes for buffet. We have food wastage policy, so please be careful of food wastage.
Yep.
It's $48.90 per person. Payment is after email.
Not a problem.
Thank you.
Ayan guys, papasok na kami. Di ba? Bonggang-bongga. Ay, ang layo natin sa kainan, Ben. Sa kuhaan. Dapat doon sa pinakamalapit. It's unfair. Dito tayo. Okay na rin. Yes.
Welcome back and enjoy your lunch today.
Thank you.
Kain na kami.
Yan na. At last.
Okay, let's go grab the food.
Yan guys, yan. Nandito kami sa Seoul Korean Barbecue. It's a buffet. Again. Yan, ang aking friend. Ngayon lang uli kami nakalabas. After a decade.
You did, right?
I did, yeah, it's confirmed, but yeah. Yan guys, may soup pa kami. Puro seafoods lang yun. Yan ang aking friend. Enjoy na enjoy. Masarap to guys. Grabe tong porn na to. May seaweeds ako, kimchi, konting dalawang crab, dalawang prawn. Kasi hindi ka pwedeng kumuha din ng marami kung di naman mauubos. Yan.